Hey everybody, welcome to the channel Taking a Bath, and the bathroom is the only place you can place your gadgets in peace. And on this channel we do product reviews and also some tutorials. If you want to support the channel, go ahead and check out my ebook, bang, www.themanistsellinselfonfire.com. We also have a PayPal donation link in the description of the video. Every little penny and dollar count. Now, as you can see by the thumbnail, guys, I want to show you exactly how you can recover your files, whether your files be audio, video, whether it be Word documents, whatever, how to recover it. Now, why is that important to us as a streaming community? You guys all know my story when I first started my Plex. Man, I first got put onto Plex, man. I went out and brought an external hard drive, hooked it up, spent the whole weekend getting content. But man, as a novice, I didn't know how to format my hard drive with my NVIDIA Shield. And when I formatted it, all of the content that I got was lost. Hundreds of videos lost, and there was no way for me to get it back. So it kind of discouraged me, and it took me a while to get back into Plex. But if I would have had this recovery software, man, I wouldn't have anything to worry about. Another thing, as a YouTuber, guys, not just as a streamer, but as a YouTuber, it's very important for me to keep my backup files. I try to back it up on an external hard drive or whatever. But if I get like a corrupt video after putting in hours and hours of editing and spending time shooting, if that video is to be corrupted, this software can help me with that too. Enough talking, let's jump right into it. All right, so here we are in the website. As you can see, Recoverit Data Recovery. Since 2003, you can rescue your deleted files, photos, videos, audios, email, and many more. As you can tell, you can download it on your Windows, which is PC, or your Mac. Now, guys, there's tons of things that this software allows you to do. But before we get into that, I just want to be transparent and let you know that this is a free download. But if you download it for free, it's a certain limit of data that you can download at a time. And once you hit that max, then, you know, bang, you can't move forward. But if you want to have a peace of mind, I recommend that you go ahead and you get the license. Now, they have different products right here. You can see if you just want the video tool repair, such as a YouTuber like myself, basic price, and let's get right here to business. You can see for a 1-year subscription for the Recoverit Essentials for Windows, it's $79. If you want the standard, it's $111. Now, I know what you're saying, Tech, that's a bit expensive, but if you're looking at $79, if you had tons and tons of videos or documents, important business documents, or as a YouTuber such as myself, products that I invested time and money into, this is like a drop in the bucket. Man, I would gladly pay $100 to get all of those videos that I had on my Plex back. All of the time that it took me to get those videos, I would gladly pay $80 to get their content back. And if you're working in Photoshop or anything like that, or if you're a photographer, you want to have that peace of mind. It's basically just allow you to recover your data. And the great thing about it is that you can even plug in another device. Like if you have your cell phone, you can plug it up to your computer. It can literally go read that file off your cell phone and recover the data that you're looking for. So those baby pictures that you have or anything like that, or lost documents that you have on your phone, or a picture that you had on your phone that you took of yourself, personal picture, and you made a mistake and deleted it, or important screenshot, right? Doctor's appointment or someone password. Guys, you can go ahead and you can recover that. You can also put a flash drive up in here. This software is just a magical piece of heaven. It really gives you a peace of mind. Let's go ahead and see exactly how it works. Let's jump to the desktop. All right, guys, so before I open up the software, I just want to let you know or show you exactly how my setup is and why this is important to me. Now, I'll come right here to my folders right here. You can see I have my C drive, D drive, right? I have an external hard drive connected. So when we go right here to the new D, you can see I have a lot of my Plex, right? Horror, Marvel, all of those are my Plex videos, okay? Also, I have my Shield connected. If I go ahead and put in the password and everything, I'll be connected to my Shield where I cut and paste my updated videos into this external drive, and that's been my system, guys, ever since I lost all of my files. Wanted to have a backup, so not just on the external drive on the Shield. When I formatted the external drive, I lost everything in the past. I also have it connected to my PC to where I can transfer those video files onto my external drive. Here's the problem. Sometimes when you're transferring things, you could prematurely delete a folder, because what I usually do is cut and paste the folder. Can prematurely delete a folder and be without data. Now you see this zombie folder right here. I want to just give you an example of how that can work. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, right? I have 8 videos right here, but I prematurely corrupted the file by mistake or whatever, doing that complicated process of taking videos from the Shield via network onto an external drive. It's a hot mess, but I always wanted to have a backup. I'm gonna show you how the software is gonna save me. Let's open it up. Now, depending on how many files you have, depending on the specs of your computer, when it first start up, is going to read all of the drives you have. So if you have like 7 drives, guys, and you got like 5 and 8 terabytes and 50, 60, 80% on just about all of them, this process might take a while because it's reading the disk information. So please be patient. Let's go ahead and let it do its thing. All right, there we have it right there. Now, the thing that I love about it is that you can select any drive that you want to explore. You can select the location. In my case, I'm going to go to the recycle bin, but you can also search for files on your desktop, or you can select a specific folder. Now, if you have a corrupt video, this is the advanced recovery, and this is with the licenses. You can repair a corrupt video. If your computer crash, you can recover from a crashed computer. So let's say you get that blue screen or whatever, and boom, you get in here and nothing's working properly or whatever, just go ahead and recover from a crashed computer. Those things are absolutely a must-have when your whole life, in my case, is based on a hard drive, videos, processing, data. Without that data, guys, I'm basically lost. That's why I have so many backups. Not only do I have physical external hard drive, but I also have cloud backups for a lot of important files. All right, let's go to recycle. Go to the recycle bin, press start, and show you exactly how easy this is going to be. As you can see, it's scanning the files. It's at 37%. It says 9 files found. Let it go ahead and finish out. Now, what you also can do is you can click on that folder and you can see if the file that you're looking for, or folder that you're looking for, if it has been recovered. So you might not have to wait to hit the whole 100%. Let's go ahead and wait it out. All right, look like it's finished. So it said that it's found 189 files. Give you some tips. Got it. Let's go ahead and open it up. All right, and you can see this right here is 1 gig. And this is the zombie folder that I'm looking for. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It was able to recover this, guys. Look, I'm gonna let you see exactly what I'm talking about. Let me go to my recycle bin. All right, let's go ahead and open up our recycle bin. You can see that the recycle bin is empty. Close it out. Let's go back into our recovery. All right. So I want to recover that. Recover it. It's going to ask me where I want to recover it at. So let's go to users. Let's find a place. I can put it in downloads, desktops, or whatever. Let me just go ahead and put in my YouTube music. I'll go ahead and tell you some more information. Save data on the source partition will reduce the chance of successful recovery. Still save data on it. Let's see if it's going to recover it. And there it goes. You can see it also giving me another tip by saying that a deep scan mode can find more files, however it will spend more time. Only thing I wanted to do was just to get the recent files that I have emptied out of my recycle bin. So that's what I needed to do. Look like that's what it did. Let's go ahead and see if it's going to be able to recover these files successfully or not. All right, look like we just about there, 100%. Let's go ahead and see if we can find it. Let us know that 8 files were successfully recovered. So let's go to folders. Go to our download section and see if they actually restored it. Okay, downloads, YouTube Music. You can see it creates its own folder. Cover it. Open it up. Cycle bin, and there we have it. Zombies. Let's make sure that the file plays. So that is the complete file, guys. That I made a mistake, a move, and I thought I had lost it. But look, right there, it recovered. Easy peasy, peace of mind. I think this is a great software to have. Let's jump back into the studio and I'm going to share my final thoughts. All right, so welcome back. You've seen the software is pretty self-explanatory. It's easy to use, giving you that peace of mind. Now, here's the great thing about it. Prior to buying the software, you might have a file right now that you need, that you can't recover, and you might be wanting to take it down the road to a computer shop that have the similar software, the same software, similar software as this, that's going to charge you one time to recover that file $50, $60, $100, $300. If it's multiple files, it can get up to $1,100+ depending on what you need them to recover for you. But you can go ahead and you can get this license up to 5 devices, guys, and $79 or $111, whatever the base plan you choose. Bang, right there you have it. Or if it's just a small file, couple of small files, go ahead and use the free version, save yourself some money. Shout out to this company, man, for going ahead and soliciting the channel to get their product out there. I think it's good for the streaming community for what we do. We put a lot of hard work in gathering our content, saving our content. This way we know that our Plex is safe, our content is safe. It's your boy taking the bathroom. Until next time, peace. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe and also hit that notification button so you can be up to date with all of my latest videos.